Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. In this video, let me show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet like Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase. First, log into Kraken and tap Transfer, then select Withdraw. Choose Bitcoin as your cryptocurrency, and make sure to select the same network like Bitcoin or Lightning that's supported by the wallet you're sending to. Using mismatched networks could result in lost funds. Now click Add New Withdrawal Address, give it a name like Coinbase, and paste it in the wallet address from your receiving platform. Make sure it matches the same crypto and network. Confirm the address via the email Kraken sends you. Once verified, go back, choose the newly saved address, enter the amount you want to transfer, hit Withdraw Bitcoin, double check all details before confirming, and your Bitcoin will be on its way. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet safely and easily. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.